Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And this is a Kaspa video. So remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And remember to dance with who brought you to the party. So we're going to go through the numbers as usual and got a couple of videos for you to check out. So let's see. I guess we can start with the Twitter page or X or however you want to Twitter X. But don't forget to join for news and updates. So let's see what's going on Twitter today on Tuesday. So this is Bitcoin is an experiment for Satoshi. Kaspa made Satoshi's dream come true. This is why Kaspa is not an altcoin, but a completely new asset class. And this is, of course, the Muhammad Ali Kaspa knocking out Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. I like that, actually. This is 95 days of action Bitcoin to spotless Kaspa. Kaspa Kaspa KRC20 Binance. And I think this is just a notation there. Top 5 exchanges, kind of a Kaspa informational. So that'll be on the Twitter as well. The number one rule Kaspa is for crypto enthusiasts, not for paid promotion. The number two rule is Kaspa is driven by the community, not pay people. You can see here Kaspa, no paid promotions. So shout out to the Kaspa Army and shout out to all the Caspians. And remember, Kaspa's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out the Air Force and the Marines. And if Elon Musk ever gets us to the moon, the Space Force, we can be mining Kaspa on the moon. Shout out to Altcoin Bonanza. Rank 26, 90.5 of all nodes on Rust. $3.7 billion valuation, 311 petahash on the network. 1 BPS per transaction. Kaspa is the alpha apex of all crypto. So shout out to Altcoin Bonanza. And I was going to go live, but I'm just going to do some videos. Just trying to work some bugs out on the live side. So we're going to push videos for a short period. Kaspa has no completion. Bitcoin 1 blocks every 600 seconds. Litecoin 1 blocks every 180 seconds, Ethereum 1 block every 15 seconds, Cardano 1 block every 30 seconds, Solana 1 block every 3 seconds. Interesting. Kaspa 1 block every second. Kaspa will have 10 blocks per second very soon. And it's a nice car with that 10 BPS on it. Let me know what you guys think. And what car is that actually? Looks pretty slick. I don't know. So this is the Kaspa Army. Kaspa's price follows Bitcoin price. Hope is in Kaspa breaking the vicious cycle created by top holders of Bitcoin. Kaspa is the new generation and the game changer. RIP to decentralized financial freedom. And this is dropping facts today. What do miners know? Miners know Kaspa is the future. Miners know Kaspa is the most profitable to mine. 10.5x capex for OPEX. And this is one thing miners know is that you can't compare Blake 2 with, I guess that's K heavy hash is equal. You need to compute cost according to the cost of the underlying hash function. KDA miners go around $25 per terahash, so 1.2 on Cardano is about 28.8 million of cap hash. K heavy hash miners cost around 1,000 per terahash, so 0.3 Ethereum on Kaspa, representing about 300 million of capex. That in turn, capex Kaspa is about 10.5 times more mined than Cardina. In terms of electricity, producing 1 terahash of K heavy hash requires 280 watts, whereas 1 terahash of Blake 2 requires 24 watts. So in terms of OPEC, Kaspa is 4 times more mined than Cardina. And of course, for some reason, the Cardina clowns are always coming at me with more information, trying to say to mine Kaspa versus mining KDA, but we're going to stick with Kaspa versus KDA. KDA is cool, but we're definitely going to stick with Kaspa on this one. Altcoin Bonanza again, 0.35 price action will be in the cards for Kaspa, as it is strong 2.8 fib target, and the trend line is clearly being respected as shown with the red dot line Kaspa's currently on. And I think that's the power law as well. Let's see, this is what is 1 BPS? What is 1 BPS in 10 minutes? And see if we can go back to this power law. And this is Kaspa's upward trajectory to 40 cents. So shout out to Altcoin Bonanza for that as well. This is Simple Crypto. That guy's running a Kaspa node in Siberia. Must be a hero. And this guy's clearly in the middle of nowhere running that Kaspa node. And I used to check the nodes, but I guess I'll go back to checking that. It's been a while. New listing Kaspa is live on CoinW official CAS versus USDT. Trade now with CoinW. So this is new listing CoinW USA. And this is a video for later. The Turbo Tone announcement for tomorrow, got postponed. So we'll check that and make a Turbo Toad video later. This is the Kaspa dashboard. Current supply is 23.8 billion. TPS is 2.5. BPS is 0.2. Current price is 15.8, down 5%. 24-hour trading volume 72.7 million. Market cap is 3.7 billion. Looks like the market cap slid again down from 4 billion, but we'll see. Current ranking is 27, and this ranking is not coming from Coin Ranking. It's coming from somewhere else. I mentioned it yesterday, but I have to go back and check. Current petahash of hash rate is 310.8 petahash. Percent mined is 83.2. Next reduction is 24 days down to 98 per block reward. It's getting kind of tight on these block rewards. I don't know what to tell y'all. 104 CAS is the current block reward. Active addresses is 353,181. All-time high for petahash of hash rate is 342.6 petahash. That's the highest hash rate so far. TPS to date is 91 transactions per second. And we'll look at the top addresses here. So top addresses is overall addresses is 352,181. That means these addresses have at least one CAS token. Some of these addresses are multiple addresses on the same wallet. So this is not unique by any means. Let's see. Crabs are up 0.3 in the last 24 hours. Octopus is up 0.2. Fish is unchanged. Dolphins down 0.2. Sharks down 0.7. What's going on? What in the whales is unchanged. Humpback is unchanged. And again, no Aquaman. So let's see here, top addresses, and we're looking for the ones with changes. Gate.io added 58.6 million. Mexi 2.3 million. Uphold 2.4 million. Bygit 323,000. Mexi 205,000. This guy 337. This guy's down 353,000. Bybit is down 638,000. This guy's 426,000. And Mexi added 1.3. Is it just me, or does it look like these guys are gearing up for something? Seems like they're all adding tokens. So I suspect either people are buying me on an exchange and holding them there, or the exchanges are beefing up for a big announcement coming soon. Let me know what you think that announcement is or could be. So this is KuCoin added 445,000. This guy added 2 million. Uphold added 600, or actually lost 615,000. This guy added 800,000, and this guy added 109,000, and this added 559,000. So moving forward, we'll look at the current price. Kaspa is currently at 15.8 cents, down 5.8 in the day. Market cap is down 5.7 to 3.7 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 73.9 million. Let's see here. All 24-hour low is 15.5 cents. 24-hour high is 16.9 cents. All-time high is 19.19 cents. And that was June 5th, a little over a week ago. So let's see here. This is the live coin watch. Let me see if I can open up coin ranking real quick. So this is live coin watch. Live coin watch. Current price is 15.9 cents. 3.8 billion market cap. 24-hour trading volume 104 million. Currently, last hour is down 0.22%. Last 24 hours is down 5.49%. Last 7 days is down 11.29. Last 30 days, it is up 28.4%. 90 days, it's up 8.65%. Year, it's up 200 or 921.5%. 24-hour change is the low of 15.5 cents. High is 16.9 cents. And let's check out coin ranking. Coin ranking has CASP at 32. 15.9 cents, 3.79 billion. 5 down 5.70. And is right under Fetch AI at 3.93 billion. Binance Pay, which is, I don't even heard of that, 3.98. Pancake Swap 4.2. Render is 4.37. And looks as a whole, the market is down again. It's pretty much totally red today. So I'm not sure what happened or if there's some new news. I'll check that later. Turbo's down 13.6. Myro's down 12.6. Uniswap is down 14.3. Flock A is down 14.2. Solana's down 9.5. Dog with a Hat is down 12.2. Arkham's down 9.9. Something's definitely going on. Nero is down 12.6. Lithium is down 5%. Render's down 10.1. XRP is down 4.8. Kaspa is down 5.7. FX is down 11. Beam is down 8.2. AI Tech's down 9.5. Cox is down 11.2. Bookamine is down 11. Cat with a Hat is down 16.7. What is going on? It is all red today. Jasmine is 14.6. Brett's down 14.6, Piff's down 7, Dodge down 7, Singular's down 9.2. So if you were getting in, today would be the day, right? It's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Let's see this quick short.
Breaking news, Kaspa is now officially listed for spot trading on CoinW, another centralized exchange listing for Kaspa. Like and subscribe for the latest and greatest. Breaking.
Yeah, I did mention that already. And this is Kaspa Silver, and he's talking about updating the Kaspa NG wallet. So let's run that for a minute.
You can head over to the website called kaspa-ng.org. But if you are interested in getting the desktop version of this, you can also do that. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. So first off, I'm going to have the link down below where you can go to this GitHub website and you can get the file for whichever operating software you are currently using. I'm currently using Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and click to download this Windows zip file, Kaspa NG. When you open it up for the first time, you might get this message. You just click more info and then click run anyway. All right, now that Kaspa NG is loaded up, I do go into much more deeper review of Kaspa NG and that other video that I showed in the beginning of this one. But if you don't already know, you can switch over to a public node or you can run your own node. So if you want to go to a public node, you can go ahead to this bottom area right here where it says connected, and you could choose which public node you want to be a part of, and then you can connect instantly to the network and start using your wallet right away. So I've been seeing people ask if they should transfer their funds to KNG from the web wallet or KDX. And from what I hear is that there is going to probably be a seamless transition so that you don't have to actually transfer your funds from KDX. You'll be able to just like download an update of KDX that will just transition everything to KNG. Now, I don't know how long that's going to take, and it's really up to you on what you want to do. Now, Kaspa NG still does not support seed phrases from KDX or the web wallet. So if you do want your funds in KNG, you would have to just normally send them to the wallet on KNG. Now, I would recommend switching over if you don't have a lot of Kaspa. You maybe have like 10, 20,000 Kaspa maybe. I don't think it's too bad to be just sending your Kaspa over to this new wallet. Now, if you have a lot of Kaspa, I don't even recommend using these type of wallets for holding a lot more Kaspa than like 10, 20,000, because personally, I use cold storage devices to hold large amounts of Kaspa. These type of wallets, I would only trust ever holding maybe at most 10 to 20,000 Kaspa at a time. Personally, I don't hold any in these kind of wallets just because I do like cold storage devices to hold my Kaspa. So it's really up to you if you want to switch over. It doesn't matter if you are staying behind. You'll always be able to access those older wallets and move your funds around. But eventually, those older wallets will lose support and you'll no longer be able to receive any new updates if you stay on the older versions. So this was just a quick video covering a recent update to KNG that is now in beta. So if you are a brand new user to Kaspa, I recommend just getting KNG to get started because this is now stable enough.
As you mentioned, I would say you could use it to test it, but do not put all your Kaspa in that NG wallet. Get you a Tangent cold storage, and I will have the link in the description. You can use my code and get 10% off, and you're also supporting the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit that link. And some people were talking about this video from Casper John. So we're going to play a little bit of that real quick. And then I guess that is it for today. But let me get some of this video out and we'll create that link as well. You can watch the full video.
What's up, guys? Kaspa right now is ranked number 25 on CoinMarketCap in the top 100. This is so significant because Kaspa has yet to be on a tier 1 crypto exchange. Aside from Uphold and KuCoin, which you can argue KuCoin is maybe not tier 1. It is not yet on Kraken, Gemini, Crypto.com, Binance, and Coinbase. This is despite the announcement of smart contracts, QRC20. This is despite using Rust, a very popular programming language. This is also despite having a trading volume of 70 million at the start of this video. At some point, these exchanges, these companies cannot ignore Kaspa that long. A lot of people, they're looking at, different coins. They're wondering what's in the top 100, what's the next one. And I'm like, how far down the ranks can Kaspa go before a company goes, an exchange goes, maybe we should list Kaspa? I said it time and time again. Most cryptos, most people expect a crypto company to fork over cash to be listed on an exchange, which makes sense. But in Kaspa's case, it's a commodity. It was fair launch, no pre-mine, no YCO. I'm not saying the team doesn't have funds, doesn't want to do funds, whatever, but the incentive to pay exchanges to get listed is not going to be there. It doesn't mean it won't. Artblock got listed on Coinbase for free. It got listed on Crypto.com for free. Turbo got listed on Crypto.com for free, and also Uphold for free. Pepe, we're not sure, but Pepe got on every exchange but Coinbase in a matter of a week, it seems like, in the bear market. So it can get listed. The question is, how long are exchanges going to watch investors buy Kaspa before they realize they can make money? At some point, the trading volume can only be so high to where an exchange won't list it. If you guys remember Upholds, Dr. Martin something with an H, a long last name, he saw how popular Kaspa was. And he not only listed it on their exchange, he made sure to make it a tier 3 asset, which meant you can swap it to a cold storage wallet. You can move it instead of being locked on Uphold. He knew the importance of Kaspa. He knew the importance of why they should list it. Coinbase, who has a team, Binance, who has a team, Gemini, Crypto.com, Kraken, they all know that Kaspa is popular. They have boards of team members who monitor what the sentiment is. They monitor the top 100, I'm sure. Kaspa is probably going to be number 20 on CMC before they even get that realization that we should probably list it. I guarantee they're aware of it. I mean, it's on Binance futures. It'll eventually get a Binance spot. Okay. Right now, I don't see the sentiment too bearish for Kaspa, which is good. I feel like many investors who are investing into it know what they're holding. And my question to you is, if you feel like you're panicking right now, did you really invest with money you're willing to lose, for one? Or two, did you invest with money and patience, knowing that waiting is a part of the investing process? All of our plays at some point involve waiting. The ones who get too impatient are the ones who are leveraging themselves with money they can't afford to lose. So you got to really ask yourself here, if you have a lot of money in Kaspa, which I'm assuming you do, especially if you're watching this video, whether it's 10%, 20, 50%, in some cases, some of you are holding like 80% or more. Are you willing to wait? Good things take time. Kaspa, to me, I can't think of another crypto that has been this far down the top 100 that has not gotten a tier 1 exchange listing. I just don't know any crypto that's like that. They all at some point, you know, again, the trading volume reflects as if it was on a tier 1 exchange. That's the most startling thing to me, is the fact that it's at nearly 100 million trading volume, and the only exchanges you can get it is Uphold, Mexi, and KuCoin for the most part. Every single video I make, it's, hey, where can you buy Kaspa? Where can you buy it? I guarantee it, this video, you'll see at least 1, 2, or 3 comments. Where can I buy it in the US? Where can I buy it? People every single day don't know where to buy Kaspa. They want to buy it on a Coinbase or Binance or a Crypto.com or a Gemini listen or Kraken. So yes, it's temporarily suppressing the price, but I look at it from the outside in, like, if it causes more flat price action, I'll DCA, which I've been doing. I've been buying the tip in Kaspa. And then, like we're seeing now with the announcement of smart contracts, it's not dumping that hard. Yeah, sure, it's not scaling that hard, but it's not dumping that hard either. It's doing what a fair launch layer one is supposed to do. It's maintaining its strength with a store value property, and it's progressing. KRC.
So from what Casper John is saying, sorry, Crypto John, he's saying the same thing we've been saying. We're not sure why Casper is not being picked up on a tier one exchange listing. And I've been saying this the whole time. I think there's something else going on in the background. But as everyone also says, what's the rush, right? We can get it now while it's cheap and keep stacking it. It's not financial advice, but you can definitely DCA in the Caspa while the price is down. So I don't know why people are rushing to get it on exchange listing because, as he mentioned, maybe these are the guys that are over leveraged and put money in they can't afford to lose. But as everyone else says, it takes time, right? Like Warren Buffett said, even though Warren Buffett's anti crypto, the people who invest and leave their investment alone are the ones who make the money. The people that are running back and forth, looking at it every day, trading it and moving it around, trying to get the most out of their money are the ones that end up losing. The ones who get in early and hold and keep holding are the ones that's going to make the profit. So let me know what you guys think about that. I didn't want to make a really long video because I do need to make a turbo video next. But let me know what you guys think about Caspa. Remember, Caspa is the Army, better yet, the Navy. Shout out the Air Force and shout out the Space Force. If Elon Musk can ever get us to the moon, and remember, dance with who brought you to the party, right? You guys been on Caspa all this time. Why would you start funding it now? Don't FOMO in, but continue to hold your cash and check out that video from Caspa Silver with the new NG wallet. And there is also this Castware wallet, which I'm going to start looking at. I might make a video about that later as well. But let me know what you guys think about the NG versus the Castware. And thanks for joining. Thanks for supporting BTM and Caspa to the moon. This is me signing out. Peace and hair grease. And let's get back to the money, guys.